All right, let's pump the brakes for a second. Tesla. It's not just the cars making noise, it's their stock too. And right now, Tesla's stock is surging. But here's the million-dollar question. Why? What's driving this huge rise? Spoiler alert, it's not just the latest tweet from Elon. Stick around because today we're breaking down the two major reasons Tesla's stock is climbing. Reason 1, Tesla's expanding market reach. Now, we all know Tesla's been all about those luxury electric vehicles, right? But here's the twist. Things are changing. Tesla's making moves to get more affordable cars into the hands of consumers. You've probably heard the buzz about the Tesla Model 2. It's a compact, affordable EV that could really shake up the market, shifting Tesla from a luxury brand to a mass market leader. And it's not just about new models either. Tesla is ramping up production at factories worldwide. Gigafactories are sprouting up in places like Mexico, China, and Europe. More factories mean more cars on the road, and more cars mean more revenue. It's simple. Tesla's getting ready to make electric vehicles more accessible, and investors are definitely taking note. Reason 2, Tesla's supercharger network and its growing energy division. We all know the biggest challenge with electric vehicles. Where do you charge them? Well, Tesla's got that covered with the largest, most reliable network of superchargers out there. And they're not stopping there. They're expanding the network even more, making it easier to drive a Tesla anywhere. But here's the real game changer. Tesla's energy division is also growing rapidly. From solar panels to energy storage, systems like the Powerwall, Tesla's positioning itself as more than just a car company. They're becoming a major player in the clean energy space. With sustainability on everyone's mind, Tesla's offering more than electric cars. They're building an entire ecosystem for clean, renewable energy. And that's a big deal. The energy sector is a massive part of Tesla's future growth. Now, we can't talk about Tesla's rise without mentioning Elon Musk. Love him or hate him, there's no denying that Musk is at the heart of Tesla's success story. Whether it's pushing boundaries with electric vehicles or dreaming up SpaceX, he's always thinking ahead. And his ability to grab attention, whether it's on Twitter or through innovative projects, keeps Tesla in the spotlight. Investors, they love that confidence. They're betting on Musk's ability to innovate and shake up entire industries. He's a wild card, sure, but that bold thinking is exactly what gives investors the vision they can get behind. So, let's talk about that stock surge. Tesla's stock has been rising at an impressive pace, and it's no accident. Investors are seeing the bigger picture. It's not just about selling cars anymore. Tesla's building an entire ecosystem that includes vehicles, energy solutions, and infrastructure. The demand for electric cars is growing, and Tesla's in the perfect position to lead the charge. That's why investors are betting big on the company's future. Yes, Tesla's stock has had its ups and downs in the past, but right now, the market is showing confidence in Tesla's long-term potential. As Tesla ramps up production, expands its reach, and continues innovating, they're setting themselves up for growth, and that's why we're seeing such a big surge in the stock price. But let's not forget, Tesla's not just about the cars. They're pushing boundaries in other areas too. Take, for example, Tesla's work with autonomous driving. Self-driving tech is still in its early stages, but Tesla's making strides with its full self-driving FSD features, positioning itself to be at the forefront of the next big revolution in transportation. And with Tesla's massive data collection, from its fleet of vehicles, they're gathering invaluable insights that could give them an edge over competitors in the race toward full autonomy. This innovation is another reason investors are bullish on Tesla. They see that Tesla isn't just riding the wave of EV popularity, they're shaping the future of transportation. And that could pay off in a big way down the road. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing for Tesla. They face plenty of challenges ahead. First, competition is heating up. Rivals like Rivian, Lucid Motors, and traditional automakers like Ford and GM are all trying to get a slice of the EV market. While Tesla's still the leader in the space, these companies are quickly ramping up production, which could lead to price wars or market share shifts in the future. And let's not forget the supply chain issues. Tesla, like other automakers, has had its fair share of challenges with chip shortages and parts delays. But Elon Musk's ability to streamline operations and cut costs has kept Tesla ahead of many of its competitors. Still, these are things investors need to keep in mind as they make their bets on the future. One huge factor driving Tesla's stock surge is the growing global focus on sustainability. More countries are making moves to ban the sale of gas-powered cars within the next few decades, and consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious. Governments are offering subsidies and incentives for electric vehicle adoption, which only benefits Tesla in the long run. As the world shifts toward greener energy solutions, Tesla is perfectly positioned to capitalize on these trends. And don't forget the rising concern about climate change. People are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint, and Tesla's emphasis on clean, renewable energy, both through electric vehicles and energy storage solutions, aligns with these global trends. This focus on sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's also good for Tesla's bottom line. So, what's next for Tesla? The future's looking bright. We're talking about the potential for even more affordable EVs, advancements in autonomous driving, and the growth of Tesla's energy division. But beyond that, we're also talking about Mars. Yes, Tesla's parent company SpaceX is all about reaching the stars, and that kind of ambition is contagious. Tesla is in a unique position to redefine the future of not just cars, but energy, infrastructure, and even space exploration. When you're led by someone like Elon Musk, you can't help but feel like the sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. So, there you have it. Tesla's stock is surging for a few solid reasons: expanding market reach, growing energy sector, cutting-edge innovation, and its place in the larger sustainability movement. Tesla's not just making cars anymore, they're shaping the future of how we drive, use energy, and live on this planet. And with Elon Musk's vision propelling the company forward, it's no wonder why investors are so excited about what's to come. Now let's zoom out a bit. Tesla's growth isn't happening in a vacuum. There are larger global economic trends at play here. With the rise of the middle class in developing markets like China and India, there's an increasing demand for electric vehicles. People in these regions are becoming more aware of the environmental and long-term economic benefits of EVs. As Tesla expands its production and distribution into these markets, it's tapping into a massive new customer base. And when the global economy starts to shift toward more sustainable practices, Tesla's stock could benefit even more. Tesla's international reach is crucial for long-term success, especially as governments around the world continue to push for stricter emission standards. Tesla's ability to stay ahead of those regulatory changes while producing vehicles that meet these standards positions the company as a market leader not just in the US, but worldwide. Tesla isn't just changing the car industry, it's changing how we think about transportation altogether. The future of mobility isn't just about having a car in your garage anymore. We're talking about ride-sharing, autonomous taxis, and even the integration of electric vehicles with smart city technologies. Tesla's work in autonomous driving, combined with its electric powertrain, makes it uniquely positioned to be at the forefront of this shift in how people get from point A to point B. Some experts are even predicting that in the future, Tesla could become more like a mobility provider than a traditional automaker. Imagine a world where you don't need to own a car, but rather call up a fully autonomous Tesla ride, on demand. That future is closer than we think, and investors are betting that Tesla will be the company leading the charge into that new era of transportation. And let's not forget the power of the Tesla brand. The company has built an incredibly strong consumer base that's not just loyal, but passionate. Tesla owners are often some of the most dedicated customers out there. It's not just about owning a car, it's about supporting a movement. Whether it's driving an electric vehicle, using clean energy, or even investing in the company, people feel like they're part of something bigger when they're involved with Tesla. This brand loyalty creates a strong foundation for growth. Tesla owners act as ambassadors for the company, spreading the word and encouraging others to make the switch to electric. With a growing base of fans and advocates, the Tesla brand isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. And as more consumers begin to prioritize sustainability and innovation, Tesla's appeal will only continue to expand. A huge part of Tesla's success isn't just the hardware, it's the software. Tesla vehicles are constantly evolving, thanks to over-the-air software updates. This means that unlike traditional automakers, Tesla can continually improve its cars, adding new features, improving performance, and enhancing safety without requiring customers to buy a new model. This software-first approach is something.